Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use the delete face command. So let's start. Here is the command of delete face and it offers several options like we have face, blend, hole and blend size. Basically hole and blend size are going to be get used with the filters. We have the choice to use the filters in them or not. And in the case of face, the very first requirement is that if we are deleting the faces, those deleting faces should make a close void. Otherwise, it is not going to get success in its operation. Let me just show you. First of all, I'm going to use the delete face with the option of face. So let's start. I'm going to choose these side faces, this one and this one. It will throw an error. The error will be of that these faces are not going to form any kind of close voice. So this we have to ignore as I am going to perform the complete selection. So for the complete selection, I'm just going to continue with my selection. So I'm going to choose the faces by which there would be a formation of the close void like this. And this as last. So you can see those deleting faces. I'm repeating my terms. Those deleting faces are going to form a closed void. That's the reason the command gets success. So that's the make of this command, that the delete face with the face option should form a closed void. Only in that case it is going to get successful. Okay, now I'm going to just apply this. So this is how we can use the delete face to delete the void in the case of face. Now the next option we have is of delete blends. If there are blend faces and we want to delete that to have the sharp edges, so we can use the delete face with the blend option. Now I'm going to select these blue blends so that we could have the sharp corners like this. So it will offer you the sharp corner at that place like this. And if I just apply here also, so you can see the blend has been deleted and a sharp edge has been formed. So this is the working of the delete face with the blend option. Now the next option in the delete face we have is of hole. Now let's go to that option and let's check it out. So here is the option of hole and this is the filter I was mentioning about. So here you can see the filter applied is of hole size is lesser than or equals to 5 mm. And we have the hole in this model is of 15 mm and 20 mm. This hole is of 15 mm and this hole is of 20 mm. So if I'm going to apply this filter, it will not offer me to have the selection for these holes. Why so? Because they are larger than 5 mm. So here I'm going to have the filter as 15 mm. So here I'm going to have the filter as 16 mm so that I am able to choose the hole of 15 mm. Now, if I just hover my mouse here, you can see I am able to perform the selection for this hole, but I would be unable to perform the selection for this hole. Why so? Because this is of 20 mm and the filter is of 16 mm, which is lesser than or equals to 16 mm. So this is how we can use the filter. We can also untick this option and have the manual selection for this. Basically, the filter is used for the larger purpose. Let me just show you how. Just go to hole and here I'm going to choose the filter as 21 mm so that it would automatically select all the holes which are smaller than this measurement. Now, if I just click here, just be focused with here also. If I just click here, it will automatically select this hole also. Why so? Because this hole is smaller than or equals to 21 mm. That's the reason it has automatically selected this hole also. Let me just again show you this. If I just go to the hole command, and here the filter is going to be of 21 mm, and I'm going to select this one, it will automatically going to select this one also. Like if I just click here, so you can see this has been automatically selected. Just click on show result to have the preview for the result, like how it is going to be get looked after we have deleted the hole. Now just click on cancel because this was just for the demonstration purpose. So this is how we can use the delete face with the hole option. At last we have the blend size. Now let's check it out. What is blend size? If I just go to the blend size, same option like we have in the hole of filter. here we have of the blend size. So these blends are of 5 mm and I'm going to have here as 6 mm, and just select this one. It will automatically select this one also. So this is how we can use the blend size and hold with these filters. So what is the difference between the blend and blend size? Blend is the manual selection for selecting the blends and delete them. This is for the manual purpose. However, the blend size is for the filter purpose. Like if I just go to the filter and then use it. So in this way, we have covered all the options. First of all, we have covered about the delete face with the face option. There should be a formation of closed void. Only in that case, we are able to delete the faces. Next is of blend. We have to perform the manual selection for the blends to delete the faces of the blends to have the sharp edges. Later on, we have the goal and we have checked for both the options, how to have the manual selection along with how to have the whole size filter selection using the whole size filters. At last, we have the blend size, and in the blend size, we have checked for the filter as well. So this completes the command of the delete face. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the delete face command. That is all. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.